guess there's Minecraft here. This chair is very rocky. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay. Join me. Or you die. I'm just kidding. Okay. Ah, oof. Oh, yep. I died, yep. Of course. Of course I died. Native. Nice. Well. Oh, it's a chicken. Oh. Hold up. It hasn't loaded in yet. Watch this. Bam. Okay, here it is. They're back. Here's the creators. Here's the owner. Bam. Here's the owner. And here's an admin. Man, I really wish people would notice me. Oh, hi. Hi, Remy. Oh, bye, Remy. Remy just bumped my mouse. Wait a minute, what's that? Do I hear that some people might want to play with me? Well, just look for my name. So far, I'm the only one on. And I have this beautiful skin, Foxy. So yeah. Please. Whoops. Gee. Hey. Bam. I'm an outcast in this game because I haven't ranked up yet. So, why? Okay, here we go. We have a Discord. Who knows? I might make a Discord server for fans. I might just put it in the description. So, go and check out the description. I know you can't see me, but I'm pointing my fingers down to the description. Sorry. Please don't be mad at me. So basically, in this rule book, you'll get it, and it basically tells you rules. So you /claim, then you can claim land. But if you want to extend, I don't know, because I accidentally died, and now I don't remember. Oh, I was playing with this guy before. Oops. So, yeah, I was playing with that guy, and me and them were talking. I don't know if this person does YouTube. I don't really want to say what gender I think yeah, because they're a Charmander. I don't know what gender they are, so I'm just gonna say them. Or they. Or, yeah, that person. So that person. Yeah, they. Yeah, it was theirs. Yeah, how about you go to talk to them? It's a flower. I like flowers. Ow, ow. This is the aquatic update one, so 1.13.2. This is the version I'm playing with. Yep, I kind of skipped. Basically, you get to venture out. It's basically survival. There's like a video and stuff. Hold up. There we go. Bam. Now it's bright in here. What bam. Sorry about that. Should make that sound. If I did, then I would not be doing that. but you know, I'm definitely not turn off completely. What did I just say? I don't know. But oof. Yeah, I turned down the master volume and stuff. If you have Minecraft, please come play with me. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is Java Edition, and yeah, Java Edition, so it's pretty cool. I also play Hypixel, so yeah. Okay, yeah, and we're up here with a pig and a llama. Just kidding, it's a llama, but you know, don't quote me on it. I'll put and bam. Fine. Let me try to claim something else. Maybe down there. Man, you can patch up that hole. Oof. Ooh, nice. Save system. What? Where? I almost died. Where am I allowed to claim them? Huh? Huh? Huh, server? Huh? How about over here? Come on. Where can I claim? Hold up, let me adventure to find it. Okay. Finally found my land plot. So bam, now I'm allowed to build here. Get that out of here. Because I don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. What? 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 Whoa. That was cool. Well, anyway. Come on, man. Play with me. Oh, and by the way, if you wanna see my coordinates, all you have to do is, so since I'm on the laptop, I do FN F3. So my coordinates are XYZ. So they're, yeah. Well,